Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. This day started just a little bit on the wrong foot because it started raining just when we arrived at TRE CIME. But luckily for us, after maybe 1 hour of us sitting in the car just waiting and praying for the weather to get better, guess what? Our prayers were answered and the weather started to get better. We're starting a little bit to see things around us, the mountains and all these things here, these amazing views. Now I need to find Andrea. She went to Refugio Alonso to buy maybe a magnet or something for us to stick on the fridge, and after I meet with her, we'll try to go not to TRE CIME, but first to try to see another amazing point of view, something called or so-called Towers of Mordor or something like that. I don't know exactly the correct name. I will try to put it here or here, somewhere here, for you to have it and for you to check it also. And after that, if we have time and the weather will be friendly with us, we will go to TRE CIME. It rained a little bit more, but we started walking. We started to go to try to find that viewpoint that we want. It's right behind me. I think the place is called Cadena de Misurina. In order for you to reach it from Refugio Alonso, you need to go on route 117. It's like the opposite from where you want to go if you want to reach TRE CIME. It's on the other side. I will try to make more B-rolls with the road, and yeah, it's quite amazing right now what I can see behind me. Look how nice it is and pretty, and also here with the mountains, but I think it's going to look even more amazing, more stunning when we're going to reach that viewpoint. Visibility is not amazing. You can see a lot of things. It's not 100%, but damn, just spectacular, marvelous. I don't have words. These past 2-3 days, I cannot find words for what I'm able to see here. Dolomites, you're amazing. One hour or 1 hour and a half of us waiting on this ridge for the sky to clear up, for the fog to disappear. We managed to do some photos, some videos. We wanted to do more, you can imagine, but also we're a little bit pressed off with time because I think in the afternoon there is a chance that it's going to rain, and we want to be able to make also at least half of the trail for TRE CIME, and for that we need to to get moving. I haven't told you how much you need to pay to get here. You need to pay 30 euros. That's the entrance, like the fee. It's for one car. In the car can be one person or 5 persons. But it's totally worth it. Just like at Seceda, it's totally worth it. Because we are kind of pressed by time. We'll try to do maybe 1/3 or half of the track, and also we didn't go like everybody is going from Refugio Alonso. You take a right and you do that like that to the track. No, we went on the left because I think on the left we'll be able to see a little bit much more of the surroundings. I think for me the most surprising thing about TRE CIME is the sheer size of this mountain. I mean, look at it! I don't post that much on Instagram or on Facebook, but the last couple of days I've made photos after photo, video after video, because it just, I cannot not do it, because look
how
what?
Amazing it is!
Exactly. We can say that we were very lucky, because right now some clouds are forming, and also I heard some thunders, and luckily for us we finish everything we are going through for the car, and I must say that we are very happy. If you come to TRE CIME, I advise you, especially if you don't have that much time, I advise you, if you want to go around TRE CIME, to go on the opposite side, not on the side, on the way that everybody is going, because you'll be able to reach faster the place where you can see the TRE CIME, like the whole rocks. What you saw me taping, filming, it's a road that took us like half an hour. I don't think that it took us more than that, and I think it was worth it. It's faster to go this way, and not the way that on the way that everybody is going. We are back at the Airbnb. Today was an amazing day. Without words, once again, I'm without words. But yesterday also I was without words, and here is why.